Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that hit the front page of Hacker News recently and completely changed my perspective on something we all use almost every single day: maps. For years, like probably most of you, my phone's navigation default has been Google Maps. It's convenient, it's comprehensive, it's Google. But lately, I've been feeling an increasing unease about how much data these services collect. The ads that creep into every corner of my digital life, and the general feeling of being tracked, even when I'm just trying to find the nearest coffee shop. That's where today's discovery comes in. An app that's been making waves in the privacy-conscious tech community, and one that I've been extensively testing for the past few weeks. Organic Maps. Inspired by the fervent discussions on Hacker News, I decided to take the plunge, delete Google Maps from my primary device, and commit to this open-source alternative. And let me tell you, the experience has been nothing short of transformative. In this video, I'm going to break down exactly what Organic Maps is, why it stands out, how it compares to the behemoths like Google Maps, and ultimately, why I believe it might just be the map application you've been searching for. So, what exactly is Organic Maps? At its core, Organic Maps is a free, open-source, offline map application built on the incredibly rich and community-driven data of OpenStreetMap. Think of OpenStreetMap as the Wikipedia of maps. It's created and maintained by millions of volunteers worldwide, constantly updating geographical data, points of interest, hiking trails, cycling routes, and virtually everything you could ever need on a map. Organic Maps leverages this incredible dataset, but strips away all the unnecessary clutter and, most importantly, all the privacy-invasive features that have become standard in proprietary mapping apps. It's a fork of Maps.me, which was once a beloved open-source project but later went commercial and started integrating ads and trackers. The developers behind Organic Maps saw the need for a truly private, ad-free, and tracker-free mapping solution. And thus, Organic Maps was born. It's designed with a singular focus: to provide fast, detailed, and completely offline maps and navigation without compromising your privacy or data. This means no internet connection is required after you've downloaded your regional maps. No data collection, no creepy tracking, and absolutely no ads. Now, let's talk about why I made the switch and what features truly shine. First and foremost, the privacy aspect. In an age where every app seems to be vying for your personal data, Organic Maps offers a refreshing sanctuary. There's no account creation, no login, no telemetry, no analytics. Your location data stays on your device. Period. This isn't just a minor perk. It's a fundamental difference that shifts the power dynamic back to the user. You're not the product. You're simply using a tool. This freedom from surveillance is, for me, one of the most compelling reasons to use Organic Maps. Secondly, the offline functionality. This isn't just a feature. It's the asterisk-defining characteristic. You download the maps for specific regions, countries, or even continents once, and you're good to go. No signal? No problem. Traveling internationally without a data plan? Organic Maps has your back. Exploring remote wilderness areas? Your phone won't be desperately searching for a cell tower. This also translates to significant battery life savings, as your phone isn't constantly transmitting data or trying to load map tiles over a weak connection. For frequent travelers, hikers, cyclists, or anyone who ventures off the beaten path, this is an absolute game changer. I've personally used it in areas with notoriously spotty coverage, and it performed flawlessly, guiding me without a hitch. Beyond privacy and offline capability, The sheer detail and accuracy are astounding. Because it's built on OpenStreetMap, Organic Maps benefits from a global community of mappers who often record nuances that proprietary maps miss. Think detailed hiking trails, specific cycling paths, public transport stops, local businesses, and even individual benches in parks. I've found it to be incredibly useful for discovering hidden gems and navigating complex urban environments with precision. The search functionality is lightning fast, even offline, and it offers turn-by-turn navigation for driving, cycling, and walking, complete with voice guidance. The user interface is another strong point. It's clean, minimalist, and incredibly intuitive. There's no overwhelming clutter, no distracting pop-ups, just the map and essential navigation controls. This simplicity contributes to its excellent performance. The app feels snappy and responsive, even on older devices, which isn't something you can always say about more resource-intensive mapping applications. You can bookmark locations, filter points of interest by category, restaurants, ATMs, fuel stations, etc., and even share your location if you choose to. The entire experience is focused on utility and user empowerment. Now, let's address the elephant in the room. How does it compare to Google Maps? It's crucial to understand that Organic Maps isn't trying to be a one-to-one replacement for every single feature Google Maps offers. You won't find real-time traffic updates unless you have a separate live data source. Street View, intricate business integration with reviews and operating hours, or highly specialized public transit routing that relies on live data feeds. Google Maps is an ecosystem, a powerful data aggregator that leverages its vast resources to offer a truly comprehensive, albeit data-hungry, experience. However, for its core purpose, getting you from point A to point B efficiently, privately, and reliably, Organic Maps often surpasses Google Maps, especially in situations where connectivity is an issue or privacy is paramount. For daily commutes in well-covered areas, Google Maps still holds an edge with its real-time traffic. But for exploring new cities, hiking in the wilderness, cycling long distances, or simply wanting to detach from constant surveillance, Organic Maps is the clear winner. It's about choosing the right tool for the job. If your primary need is robust, private, offline navigation, Organic Maps is incredibly compelling. Other alternatives like Apple Maps or HereWayGo offer some offline features, but they still operate within proprietary frameworks and often come with their own set of data collection policies. My journey to Organic Maps really solidified when I saw it trending on Hacker News. The discussions there highlighted a growing desire within the tech community for tools that prioritize user freedom and privacy over corporate data harvesting. The collective sentiment was clear. People are looking for ethical alternatives, and Organic Maps perfectly fits that bill. The fact that it's open source means its code is transparent, verifiable, and constantly improved by a community that shares these values. So, who is Organic Maps for? It's for the privacy advocate tired of being tracked. It's for the intrepid traveler exploring remote corners of the world. It's for the hiker and cyclist who needs reliable navigation off-grid. It's for anyone who values a fast, clean, and ad-free mapping experience. While it might not have every single bell and whistle of its proprietary counterparts, its dedication to core functionality, performance, and user privacy makes it an indispensable tool in my digital arsenal. I encourage you to give Organic Maps a try. Download your local maps, take it for a spin, and see if it meets your navigation needs. You might be surprised at how liberating it feels to use a map app that genuinely respects your privacy and works flawlessly without an internet connection. Have you tried Organic Maps? What are your thoughts? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more tech insights, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next deep dive. Until next time, stay safe and navigate freely.